Isn't the security of your crypto holdings the single most important factor once you've made a purchase? That's exactly why I moved my funds from the Newton exchange to my Ledger hardware wallet, and I'm going to walk you through the absolute best way to do it, based on my own experience. Get your Ledger receiving address. The very first step is on the secure side, your Ledger. Open Ledger Live, make sure your Ledger device is plugged in, unlocked, and you've launched the Ledger Live application on your desktop or mobile. Select your account, navigate to the Accounts tab and click on the specific crypto account you want to receive funds into, e.g., Bitcoin, Ethereum. If you don't have an account for that crypto, you'll need to create one first. Click Receive, click the Receive button. This is crucial because it initiates the address generation and verification process. Verify on device. You must verify the address displayed on your computer screen with the address shown on your physical Ledger device. This protects you from malware that could swap the address on your screen. If they match, confirm the address on your Ledger device by pressing both buttons. Never skip this step. Copy the address. Once confirmed, copy the displayed receiving address. I like to copy it, then paste it somewhere safe temporarily, and recopy it before moving to the next step, just to be sure. Money with Wings initiate the withdrawal on Newton. Now that we have the destination address, it's time to move over to the Newton exchange. Log into Newton. Log into your Newton account using a web browser or the mobile app. Go to Withdrawal/Transfer, look for the Transfer or Withdraw section. On Newton, this is usually under the Transfer icon or dashboard menu. Select Crypto to Wallet. Choose Coin and Network. Select the exact same cryptocurrency you prepared on your Ledger, e.g., if you got a Bitcoin address, select Bitcoin here. Crucially, ensure the network selection on Newton matches the network for your Ledger address. For Bitcoin, it's typically the Bitcoin network. For Ethereum or ERC20 tokens, it's the Ethereum network. Using the wrong network is the fastest way to lose your funds. Add/select address. Newton requires you to save withdrawal addresses to an address book for security. Click to add a new address, or select your previously saved Ledger address. Paste the address. Paste the receiving address you copied from Ledger Live into the destination field. Name it. Give it a clear label like My Ledger BTC Wallet. Important check. After pasting, I always visually check the first 3 and last 3 characters of the address in Newton against the address I copied from Ledger Live. White heavy checkmark, review and confirm. The final steps are all about verification and sending. Enter amount. Input the amount of crypto you wish to send. Review fees. Newton typically subsidizes the first few dollars of the withdrawal fee in a 24-hour period. Check the displayed withdrawal amount and the network fee. For me, seeing that low to zero fee is a big plus for using Newton. The test transaction, my personal best practice, and one I highly recommend, is to send a small test amount first. For example, if I'm sending 1 BTC, I'll send 0.001 BTC first. It costs an extra network fee, but the peace of mind is worth it. Once that small amount arrives and confirms in Ledger Live, you know the address and network are correct. Final confirmation. Click Review Withdrawal. Verify all the details one last time, address, amount, network, and then complete any two-factor authentication or security verification required to confirm the transfer. The funds are now on the blockchain. You can track the transaction's progress on a block explorer, and typically, it should show up as pending in your Ledger Live account within a few minutes, finally confirming after the necessary block confirmations. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.